You gotta read this. The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime by Mark Haddon is a sort of a murder mystery novel, but not like any mystery you've ever read before. The story is told from the first-person perspective of Christopher, a 15-year-old boy in suburban England who finds his neighbor's dog dead, having been killed with a gardening fork. Christopher is one kind of an autistic person. He doesn't understand human emotions, he doesn't like to be touched, he hates the color yellow, and he freaks out when people yell at him. In this quote, he explains how ambiguous nonverbal communication is. Quote, "I find people confusing. This is for two main reasons. The first main reason is that people do a lot of talking without using any words. Siobhan, that's his teacher, says that if you raise one eyebrow, it can mean lots of different things. It can mean, I want to do sex with you. And it can also mean, I think what you just said was very stupid." Christopher wants the world to be clear and precise, which is why he likes math. Solving a mystery is bringing order to a disordered situation. But his father tells him to leave the whole matter alone and to mind his own business. But Christopher, who likes the fictional detective Sherlock Holmes, is determined to figure out who killed the dog. To solve this mystery, Christopher has to break out of his comfort zone and get out of the house to talk to people. He has to overcome huge obstacles to get to the truth about the dog and his own family. The most interesting thing about the book isn't the murder mystery. It's seeing the world through Christopher's eyes. When he does things that we would think are just moderately stressful, they represent an effort that is positively heroic for him. You begin to really admire this kid as he faces his fears and overcomes his limitations, just like you and I can overcome ours. The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime by Mark Haddon.